Hey guys, welcome back to finally another Perler beading video, where today we're making this super cool, really big 6,000 bead sniper. It also has a removable magazine, as well as a really cool scope. The parts you see right here are for the main body of the gun. The scope, the barrel, and the handle will be at a later step. We're going to start off by grabbing the side pieces as well as the top of the gun. Once we snap it together, in case it bends, make sure to just take it with a heat gun, heat it up, and afterwards just bend it into shape. This is a very important part as it could bend the entire gun if we don't do it at this step. Also, because we're nearing 1,000 subscribers, I have a few things I need to say about this. Firstly, I'm going to be doing a face reveal once I reach it, as well as maybe doing a giveaway. But the most important part is that I'm going to be changing the style of my videos. I'll still be making Perler beads, however, I'll be showing my entire design process, my fails, my successes, and all the things in between. So hopefully it'll be more entertaining, and the videos themselves will be more in depth, and personally I think they'll be a lot cooler than what they are right now. You want to iron these parts really well, as you don't want them falling out once we're assembling. When you're assembling, make sure that all the beads go in all of the holes, as in the end, if some beads are missed, it might make some bumps in the model. This step is really important. You have to iron these pieces really well, as if they're not ironed enough, when we're pushing on the scope will just fall through and won't hold on well to the gun. Now that we're making the stock of the gun, you have to iron these pieces really well, as if they're not ironed enough, they will fall out. This part is quite weird, as if you want it to be bent, you just leave it as it is, and the double beads just push it under an angle. If you want it to be straighter, you can always heat it up with a heat gun or a hair dryer and stretch it out. These are the pieces for the handle. Now that we're putting the handle together, you might see there are some spots that might have holes in them. If that's the case, you might just want to switch a few pieces around, as there are a lot of similar pieces in this handle. Now this is the only part in our build that doesn't use beads. Make sure to use some toothpicks to hold the handle in place. I tried using beads, however, it just wobbled around too much and it wasn't steady. However, toothpicks hold it really well. Personally, I think the magazine is the funnest part to assemble, as it's pretty big, snaps together, and is really simple. Now we're making the muzzle and the barrel. This part might be a bit hard if the barrel is bent. However, just heat it up with a hair dryer or a heat gun and bend it into shape. Now we're making the scope. This part is pretty big, so make sure to put it under a weight once you're done laying it out. The trigger may look a bit hard to make, however it's really simple. You just lay out the beads as I'm showing you, and then just heat it up with a hairdryer or a heat gun, and bend it into shape. And now we're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this perler beading video, and if you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what you want me to make next. And as always guys, thanks for watching, bye.